Hi everyone, guys. Char. We already arrived in Davao International Airport. Here's the airport. Very clean. Ano lang. I miss so much Davao. Wait. Hey everyone, guys. Welcome to our room here in Tagum City. Char. Ano yung bathroom. Oh, tab. Nice bed po siya. Nice. Mura lang na yan. Nataya lang siya ba? And our bed. Bye-bye, Bisaya native chicken. Here sa Tagum City. Craving for it. Balik ta here. Magkaon ka next time. Pinalian na siya. We have yummy food sa food court. Very fresh. Diba? Here in the Mall, Tagum City. So, lamig ito.
Hindi ka dito.
Lalong.
Layo na ng balik ko. Tuyo ka. Baktas ka, gilid ka ng bakod.
Hi everyone. Guys, we have here yummy bisayang manok or native chicken. Wow. I really crave for this takeout when I eat inside the hotel. Have a yummy sausawan. Here's our bisayang manok. So yummy. Diba? Big. Ooh. And we have also this one. Batikon. Forgot in English. And the atay I already eat. And this. So gutom. Let's eat. I'm in the hotel. Kay gibisita na akong papa from the hospital. So I'm so gutom. So let's eat. Kaon na ta. Guys, so gutom everyone. Perfect food. So gutom. Yummy susawan. Pinaptik ni siya, Girl Scout ba? Wala arte-arte. Sa bed lang naglatag. Bye for now. Bye. Thank you so much. Tagum Medical City. We have a nice, clean hotel. Hotel now. Nice, clean hospital.
Juhe, ang hotel ni Papa, Juhe. Bye, hotel.
Bye, everyone.
Wala rin ba kasi mana, no?
Ang simbahan. There. Bye. Church.
Yung mga paps. Napay patilya. Dalhin yan. Kailangan bukas. Asikaso ka agad para dali lang ba? Fresh pa.
Excited siya mo. Lunes pa man unta. Yun pa. Di kasugot.